Hey Jeremy, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily implement on your website so you can start beating T-Town roofing, because if you type in Tulsa roofer, these guys show up at the top and it's really easy to beat them. Now you're probably asking, Devin, why are you even making this video for me? And it's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers out there that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now lots of people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and say, Devin, I like you. I need this done. I just can't do it myself. Can you do it for me? Or I don't have the time to do it myself, I should say. And that's okay too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But first off, whoever did your website, if it was you or you hired somebody, is obviously a professional. This is a fantastic looking website. I love the scrolling shingles in the background. You've got the trust building images, really nice, clean lines, really great color scheme. It's a beautiful website. What Google cares about mostly when it comes to ranking is all this content right here. The average website has 1,500 words of content, and if I look at yours, you have 1113. So you're doing a great job. If you look at T-Town Roofing, I don't even know if they have that much. They have 661. So you're already beating them, but by getting yourself up to that 1,500 word mark, not only are you going to blow them out of the water, but you're also going to have room to fit in more buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So feel free to pause this video and write down some of these keywords, because you're going to want to have them in your content. So like for example, Tulsa roofer, 450 people search that into Google every single month. Imagine if you showed up first in front of 450 people who wanted to buy roofing in Tulsa every month. That alone would change your business dramatically, and that's one keyword. So you want to make sure you put these different keywords inside of your content. If I copy this keyword and I paste it here, you can see when I search your page, you don't have it on there at all. So you can say things like, we are the Tulsa roofer you love, or we are the Tulsa roofer you can call, or anything like that. That way you can fit it in there naturally. You can also save your images as keywords. So instead of like roof leaks more logo, you can save it as Tulsa roofer, and that'll also help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip for you. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, they got to be trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot better results if you have other roofers linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. Just Google backlink checker. You can see all this stuff for free online. But it says you currently have 9 websites linking to you, while T-Town Roofing has 133 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I'd copy all 133 websites linking to them and get them linking back to myself. Because if they're trustworthy enough and relevant enough to rank T-Town, then these websites are going to be trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you as well. So it's a lot of times it's really simple. Like for example, yellowpages.com, you just go on the website, you click sign up to create a free account, you put a link in your profile back to your homepage, and that easy, you've already got a backlink from Yellow Pages. So it's really simple. It's just a little time consuming, but if you beat them in content plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here, and start showing up first in front of those 450 people every single month. But I'm going to give you one more tip, and that's how to show up right here in the map section. If you want to become number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of directories. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie, GAF, Better Business Bureau, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Conrad's Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. So if Conrad's Roofing was in 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful, Jeremy. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage, and you're going to want to put keywords in it like Tulsa Roofer, Tulsa Roofing Company, Tulsa Roofing, stuff like that. Then you're going to want to put take the websites that are linking to T-Town Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Conrad's Roofing. Jeremy, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. If you go this route, it's a great route to go. I recommend you get started as soon as possible. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do because your competitors are doing this right now. If you have any questions or you want any help getting it done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Jeremy. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you later. Bye.